When your website is built, you also have the option to add live management and editing capabilities. With this optional add-on, you'll be able to log into your website and make minor updates yourself, such as editing text or updating images, without needing to contact a developer for every small change. Here's a demonstration. Making text changes is simple. Just hover over the text you'd like to update, click to edit, and enter your new content. For image updates, such as before and after galleries, you'll be able to upload new images or modify existing ones. Once your changes are complete, simply publish them and they'll go live on your website instantly. During setup, you can let our developers know which areas of your website you'd like to edit frequently. These sections can be made editable for you, while other areas that don't require regular updates can remain static. You'll also receive individual login access for each person who needs permission to make updates. If you choose not to use this feature, no problem. You can always email your web developer with your requested website updates, and they will typically be completed within 2 to 3 business days. And if you decide later that you'd like more control, this add-on can be purchased at any time, even after your website has already been published.